Good morning students. God bless you. Welcome to Maths class 9th standard. The last class we have discussed the degree of the polynomial and standard form and addition and subtraction of given two polynomial. In this section we are going to see about the board problems. Exercise 3.1 7th question. What should be added to 2x cube plus 6x square minus 5x plus a to get 3x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15. Okay, this is your 7th question. The solution for the 7th question. So what should be added to this polynomial? Okay, so don't know that another one polynomial. So let us consider p of x is the one of the polynomial. Given condition, the p of x added to 2x cube plus 6x square minus 5x plus 8 to get, that means equivalent value, to get 3x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15. This is our given condition. This polynomial added with this polynomial, we get this resultant polynomial. Okay, what is the p of x value? This is our assumption. Okay, so the p of x only need. So stay left side, the remaining polynomial transfer the right side, we get the opposite sign. Okay, which is equal to the right hand side 3x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15, and making the transformation, this full value, this is plus 2x cube. So right hand side convert minus 2x cube. This is plus 6x square, so minus 6x square. This is minus 5x, so plus 5x, and the constant plus 8 converted into minus 8. Cos every transformation if you make, you get the opposite sign. Okay, the p of x equal to, comparing with the like terms, so 3x cube minus 2x cube, so remaining 1x cube. So 1 is no need to write, so x cube. Then consider the x square. This is minus 2x square, this is minus 6x square. So totally minus 8x square, because the like sign exists. So like sign means making the addition. Then x. This is plus 6x, this is plus 5x. Totally 11x. Then the constant 15 minus 8, 7. So plus 7, the greater sign is plus. So this is the Recurrent polynomial. Therefore, the recurrent polynomial is this x cube minus 8x square plus 11x plus 7. If you add this polynomial with this polynomial, we get this one. Okay, have you understood? This is my 7th question answer. Okay, the 8th question solution, the same manner, the given condition, what must be subtracted from this polynomial to get this resultant polynomial? Okay, what must be subtracted from this polynomial? Okay, so this is the from value, so take and write first. 2x power 4 plus 4x square minus 3x plus 7 from minus. That our assumption p of x is the recurrent polynomial, so minus. Subtraction means making the minus sign, so minus p of x. Here p of x is our assumption, so subtract from this polynomial to p of x, we get 3x cube minus x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, this is a resultant polynomial. Okay. What is the write out polynomial? What is the value of p of x? This is want to find. Okay. This value want to find. So this is now negative sign of p of x. So make it positive sign. Okay. So here making the transformation, the left side to right side we get plus p of x. As well as we making the transformation, the RHS side into LHS side. Okay. So the 2x power 4 plus 4x square minus 3x plus 7, then minus 3x cube, then plus x square minus 2x minus 1, which is equal to, so making the transformation we get plus p of x, because this is the record value. Okay. Then comparing the like terms, this is x power 4, then x power 3 value. This is minus 3x power 3, then the square value, this is 4x square, this is plus x square, totally 5x square. Then x value, this is minus 3x, here minus 2x, totally minus 5x. Then 7 minus 1 plus 6 equal to p of x. Okay, that's all the answer. Therefore, the record polynomial, is this 2x power 4 minus 3x cube and plus 5x square minus 5x, then plus 6. It's a constant. This is a record polynomial. Subtracting, subtract this polynomial from this, we get definitely this answer. Okay, have you understood the 8th sum? Okay, next 9th question. Multiply the following polynomials and find the degree of the resultant polynomial. So now this is a multiplication of polynomial. The solution for the first question, p of x into q of x. This is the multiplication. This is equal to the p of x, so x square minus 9 into this is q of x, 6x square plus 7x minus 2. Okay. Already known the distributive property. Okay. Multiplying 1 by 1 the bracket values, x square first we consider. So x square with all the terms and minus 9 with all the terms. So x square, okay, x square into 6x square equal to 1 6 or 6, x square into x square, x power 4. Then plus into plus plus, 1 into 7 7, x square into x power 3. Then plus into minus minus, 2 into x square, 2x square. Next consider the minus sign, minus into plus minus, 9 6 are 54. Okay. Then x square, minus into plus minus, 9 7s are 63 into x, minus into minus, plus 9 2s are 18. Okay. Now making the simplification, 6x power 4 plus 7x cube. This is minus 2x square. This is minus 54x square. Totally minus 56x square. That's like sign. Okay. So minus 63x plus 18. This is the multiplication of given two polynomial result. Then another question is find the degree of the resultant polynomial. Therefore, the degree of the resultant polynomial is, observe the polynomial, here greatest power is this. So 4 is the degree of the resultant polynomial. Have you understood? So that's all the first question answer. Then the second question. F of x into g of x. So multiplication of given two polynomial. F of x value is 7x plus 2 and g of x is 15x minus 9. Okay. Have you understood? Okay. Then the product of binomial with binomial. Consider the first one. So plus into plus plus 7 15s of 105. Then x into x square, and plus into minus minus 7 9s of 63 into x. Okay. Then 2 plus into plus plus 2 15s of 30 x plus into minus minus 2 9s of 18. This is equal to 105x square. So this is minus 63x plus 30x. Okay. Now different sign. The different sign make it as subtraction. So subtract 63 from 30. Okay. Okay, make it a subtraction. Subtract 63 minus 30 first. So we have minus 33. Okay. The different sign mention the subtraction. So making the subtraction, we get the answer. So 63 minus 30 is 33. The greater value sign is minus. So minus 33x minus 18. So this is the resultant polynomial. Okay. Then question is find the degree of the resultant polynomial. Therefore, the degree of the resultant polynomial is the degree, highest degree is 2. So the 2 is the degree of the resultant polynomial. Have you understood the ninth question? So we have third subdivision. So the third subdivision is the comma. Okay, dear students. Next 10th question. The cost of a chocolate is rupees x plus y, and Amir bought x plus y chocolates. Find the total amount paid by him in terms of x and y. If x is equal to 10, y is equal to 5, find the amount paid by him. So this is your question. The solution. Okay. The cost of chocolate is given and the number of chocolate also given. Amir bought a number of chocolate, x plus y chocolates. Okay. So multiplying these two values, cost and the number of chocolates, we get the total amount. Okay. In example, the cost of pencil is 2 rupees means what is the cost of 5 pencil? 5 into 2, 10. So 10 rupees. So making the multiplication. The same manner here used, we get the answer. The cost of a chocolate. Therefore, total amount paid by him equal to the product of cost of chocolate and the number of chocolate. The cost of chocolate is x plus y and the number of chocolate is also x plus y. Okay. So the product of these two polynomials is equal to plus into plus plus x into x, x square plus into plus plus x into y, xy, then plus into plus plus y into x, xy or yx. The commutative property 2 under the multiplication. Okay. Then plus into plus plus y into y, y square. Then the simplification is x square, x plus y plus x plus y plus 2x plus 2xy plus xy plus xy equal to 2xy plus y square. This is the amount. Find the total amount paid by him as this. This is the total amount. Okay. If the condition now x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 5. Okay. Find the amount paid by him. Okay. So here put x is equal to 10, y is equal to 5. Therefore, the total amount paid by him means some A is equal to x is equal to 10. So 10 square plus 2 into 10, y is equal to 5. We are replacing x and y value plus y is equal to 5, so 5 square, which is equal to 10 square. 10 tens are 100 plus 2 tens are 20, 25 are 100. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 10 tens are 100 plus 5 square, 5 5s are 25. Okay, this is equal to 100 plus 100, 200, 200 plus 25, 225. So rupees 225 is the total amount paid by him. That's all the answer. Have you understood the 10th sum? In this manner, to find out the 11th sum answer. Okay, the 11th sum is length and breadth are given. Then find the area of the rectangle. Okay, so area of the rectangle formula is what? L into B square units. So multiplying L and B, we get the answer of in terms of x and y. Then use the condition in this slide, we get the answer of the 11th question. Okay, 11th question is your homework. Okay, 12th question. P of x is a polynomial of degree 1 and Q of x is a polynomial of degree 2. What kind of the polynomial P of x and Q of x is? Okay, this is your question. The solution. So P of x is a polynomial of degree 1. Then consider P of x is equal to 2x. Okay, this is your assumption. So degree 1. Okay, that's all. Then Q of x is a polynomial of degree 2. So 2x square. This is degree 2. This is our assumption. This is not even given the question. So degree is 1 means look like this polynomial. Degree 2 means this is the example of degree 2 polynomial. Okay. Then the question, what kind of the polynomial P of x into Q of x? So what is the product of P of x and Q of x? P of x into Q of x equal to, this is P of x into Q of x is 2x square is equal to 2 2s are 4, x into x square, x power 3. So now we get this polynomial. What is this polynomial kind? So already known the types of polynomial, and the degree is 3 of the polynomial is, this is a cubic polynomial. Okay. Therefore, the resultant polynomial is cubic polynomial. That's all your answer. That is degree of the polynomial is 3. Okay, the degree of the polynomial is 3. So the resultant polynomial is cubic polynomial. Have you understood the answer? Okay. Okay, dear student, today's homework, book page numbers 86 and 88, examples 3.5 and 3.6. To example, exercise 3.1, question number 9, third subdivision, and 11th question. Okay, these are our today homework. Do it well. Thank you. God bless you.